Hi students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about arithmetic, geometric and harmonic means. Okay, first one, arithmetic mean. Before going to arithmetic mean, what is mean by arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression means what? The difference between a term and its preceding term is constant. Okay, now see here, if a, B are in AP, means these three terms are in arithmetic progression, then the middle term capital A is called as arithmetic mean between small a and small b. Okay, see here, a, B are in AP. Okay, since a, B are in AP, the difference between a term and its preceding term is constant. That is a minus a equal to b minus a. Okay, here we are going to find out the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic means what? Capital A. Okay, a, this minus a will becomes plus a equal to a plus b. A plus a equal to 2a, 2a equal to a plus b, capital A equal to a plus b by 2. Okay, therefore the arithmetic mean is denoted by a dot m. Okay, the arithmetic mean of small a and small b is a plus b by 2. Okay, for example, the arithmetic mean of 2 and 8 is 2 plus 8 divided by 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 by 2 equal to 5. Now see here, 2 comma 8. The arithmetic mean is 5. Therefore, 2 comma 5 comma 8. This is in AP. Okay. Here 5 is called as arithmetic mean of 2 and 8. The resulting sequence is in AP. Okay. Similarly, we can insert 2 or more numbers in between small a and b. See, suppose a1, a2, a3, so on an. Okay, we can insert n numbers between small a and small b, but one condition is the resultant sequence is in AP. Okay, see here, a1, a2, a3, so on an. N numbers we can insert in between small a and small b such that the resulting sequence is in AP. Okay, this is called as arithmetic mean. Okay, let us consider one example. Insert 4 arithmetic means between 5 and 10. This is very important question for 3 marks. Okay, see here, we have to insert 4 arithmetic means between 5 and 10. Okay, let us consider that 4 arithmetic means as a1, a2, a3, a4. Okay, let a1, a2, a3, a4 be 4 arithmetic means between 5 and 10. Okay, therefore, see, which implies the resultant sequence. The resultant sequence is, see here, the first number is 5, next 4 numbers are a1, a2, a3, a4, last number is 10 is in AP. Okay, therefore, 5, a1, a2, a3, a4, 10 is an AP. Okay, now see, in order to find out this arithmetic means, first we should find out the value of common difference, means small d. Okay, see here, what is the formula to find out the nth term? Nth term of AP is given by Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, see here, a means what? A means first term. What is the first term here? 5. Okay, next, number of terms, n equal to, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 arithmetic means first number and last number. Total number of terms is 6. A equal to 5, n equal to 6 and Tn equal to last number. What is the last number here? Last number is 10. Now, we know the values of A, n and Tn. Therefore, we should find out the value of d. Now, substitute all the values. Tn equal to 10 equal to a value 5 plus n minus 1. N value is 6 minus 1 into d. 10 equal to 5 plus 6 minus 1 is 5. 5D. Okay. 10 minus 5 equal to 5D. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 equal to 5D. D equal to 5 by 5. Therefore, D equal to 1. Therefore, the common difference is 1. Now, A1. Okay. A1 means what? That is the second term of a sequence. 5 is the first term. A1 is the second term. Okay. See, AP means what is the general form? General form is A plus D, A plus 2D, so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. Now, A1 means what? That is the second term. The second term is A plus D equal to A value is 5, D value is 1. Therefore, 5 plus 1 equal to 6. A2 equal to A plus a third term. A2 means that is the third term, that is A plus 2D equal to 5 plus 2 into 1. 5 plus 2 into 1 is 7. Similarly, A3 means what? That is the fourth term. A plus 3D equal to 5 plus 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 plus 5, 8. Similarly, A4 means that is the fifth term. Fifth term is given by A plus 4D. 5 plus 4 into 1, that is 9. Therefore, the arithmetic means are 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, very important for 3 marks. The next one is geometric mean. Okay, if A, G, B are in GP. Okay, arithmetic means A, geometric means therefore G. A, G, B are in GP. Then G is called the geometric mean between A and B. Okay, see the middle term, small g is called as geometric mean between A and B, such that A, G, B are in geometric progression. Geometric progressions means what? The ratio of the term and its preceding term is constant. In case of arithmetic progression, difference between term and its preceding term is constant. But in case of geometric mean, geometric progression, the ratio of the term and its preceding term is constant. Okay. Now see here, A, G, B are in GP. Therefore, the ratio of the term and its preceding term is constant. Means second term by first term equal to third term by second term. Cross multiplication, G into G, G square equal to AB. Therefore, G equal to root AB. Okay. So, G means what? Geometric mean. Therefore, geometric mean of small a and b is square root of AB. This is the formula for geometric mean. For example, geometric mean of 3 and 12. Okay, geometric mean of 3 and 12, that is given by 3. G equal to, what is the formula? Root AB. Root A value is 3, B value is 12. 12 into 3, 36. Square root of 36 is 6. Therefore, geometric mean is 6. Okay. In case of geometric mean also, we can insert n numbers between A and B. So here suppose we can insert G1, G2, G3, so on Gn in between A and B. Okay, we can insert n numbers between A and B such that the resultant sequence are in GP. This is the condition. Okay, we can insert n numbers between A and B such that the resulting sequence are in GP. Okay, let us consider one example. Insert 3 geometric means between 1 by 4 and 1 by 64. Okay, so here we have to insert 3 geometric means, that is G1, G2 and G3. Let G1, G2 and G3 be 3 numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 64. Okay, which implies here 1 by 4, G1, G2, G3, 1 by 64 are in GP. Okay, we have to find out the numbers such that the resulting sequence are in GP. Okay, in such a way that we have to find out the geometric means. Here also, what is the nth term formula? That is Tn equal to A r power n minus 1. Tn formula in case of GP. Okay, A equal to first term, A equal to 1 by 4, n equal to, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2, that is 5, and Tn equal to 1 by 64. Here we should find out first the value of R, means common ratio. Substitute the values in this formula. Tn equal to 1 by 64 equal to, A value is 1 by 4 into R power n minus 1, that is 5 minus 1. Cross multiplication. 4 by 64 equal to R power 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24. Therefore, 1 by 16 equal to R power 4. So, it can be written as R power 4 equal to 1 by 16 in terms of powers of 4. That can be written as 2 power 4. Okay, 2 power 4 is 16, means R power 4 equal to 1 by 2 whole power 4. Okay, powers are same, therefore bases are equal. Therefore, R value is 1 by 2. Okay, now find out G1, G2 and G3. G1 means what? Here also G1 means what here? Second term. Okay, the general form is AR square, AR cube, so on. This is the general form. Okay, second term is what? AR. Okay, AR. A value is how much? 1 by 4. R value is 1 by 2. 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 8. Next second term. G2 equal to what? AR square. Third term. 1 by 4 into AR square. 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 whole square is 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4, equal to 1 by 4 into 4, 16. Next last one, G3. G3 is fourth term, AR cube. 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 whole cube. 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 cube is 8. 1 by 8 fours are 32. Therefore, the three geometric means are 1 by 8, 1 by 16 and 1 by 32. Okay, these three are the three geometric means between 1 by 4 and 1 by 64. Next last one, harmonic mean. Okay, if A, H, B are in HP, then H is called the harmonic mean of A and B. Okay, so here capital H, harmonic mean is denoted by capital H. HM means harmonic mean. Okay, so here harmonic progression means what? That is the reciprocal of the arithmetic progression. So here, since A, H, B are in HP, which implies what? So here 1 by A, 1 by H, 1 by B are in AP. Okay, the reciprocal of the terms of the HP means that is in AP. Okay, now 1 by A, 1 by H, 1 by B are in AP. AP means what? Difference between the term and its preceding term is constant. Means 1 by H minus 1 by A equal to 1 by B minus 1 by H. This minus 1 by H becomes plus. 1 by H plus 1 by H equal to 1 by A plus 1 by B. 1 by H plus 1 by H, that is 2 by H equal to AB is the LCM. 1 by A into AB, that is B, plus 1 by B into AB, that is A. Okay, therefore, see here 2 by H. If you take reciprocal, it becomes H by 2 equal to AB by A plus B. Okay, therefore, H equal to what? 2AB by A plus B. This is the formula to find out the harmonic mean. 2AB by A plus B. Okay, see, suppose consider two numbers 1 and 2. Okay, the harmonic mean of 1 and 2. Okay, how to find out the harmonic mean of 1 and 2? See, the formula is H equal to 2AB by A plus B. Okay, therefore, harmonic mean equal to 2. A value is 1, B value is 2 divided by A plus B, that is 1 plus 2. 2 into 2, 4 divided by 1 plus 2, 3. Therefore, the harmonic mean is 4 by 3. Okay, see, in harmonic mean also we can insert n numbers between A and B. See, H1, H2, H3, so on Hn. We can insert n numbers between A and B. Okay, let us consider the example. Insert 4 harmonic means between 1 by 3 and 1 by 13. Okay, select H1, H2, H3 and H4 B. 4 arithmetic harmonic means between 1 by 3 and 1 by 13. Okay, therefore see which implies first number 1 by 3 comma H1, H2, H3, H4, last number is 1 by 13 are in harmonic progression, means that is HP. Okay, see the reciprocal of these numbers are in AP. Reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3. 3 comma 1 by H1 comma 1 by H2, 1 by H3, 1 by H4 comma 13 are in AP. Okay, now by using arithmetic progression formula, find out the common difference value. Okay, here A value is 3, n equal to, so here 4 arithmetic means plus 2, n equal to 6, Tn equal to 13. Okay, the formula for nth term is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, Tn is 13 equal to 3 plus n minus 1, 6 minus 1 into D. 13 minus 3 equal to 6 minus 1 is 5, 5D. 13 minus 3, 10 equal to 5D. D equal to 10 by 5. Therefore, D equal to 2. Okay, now find out H1, H2, H3 and H4. Okay, H1 means what? That is the second term of HP. So here AP means what? A plus D, A plus 2D, so on. HP means 1 by A reciprocal, 1 by A, 1 by A plus D, 1 by A plus 2D, so on. Okay, now H1 means what? That is the second term. Second term means what? 1 by A plus D, 1 by A plus D equal to 1 by A value is 3 plus D value is 2 equal to 1 by 5. Okay, H2 equal to 1 by A plus 2D, 1 by 3 plus 2 into D value 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 3 7, 1 by 7. H3 equal to 4th term, 1 by A plus 3D, 1 by 3 plus 3 into 2, 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 3 9, 1 by 9. H4 equal to 1 by A plus 4D, 1 by 3 plus 4 into 2, 4 into 2 8, 8 plus 3 11, 1 by 11. Therefore, the 4 harmonic means are 1 by 5, 1 by 7, 1 by 9 and 1 by 11. Okay, thank you students.